Chef Wainaina here. I have my friend here, Mr. Chris Kibadi from African Diaspora Connect. Good to have you here, my friend.
Thank you for having me. Thanks for having me.
He's in the studio today. Welcome
Yes, I am.
to the studio.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So, hey, listen, guys, I am so excited. I am so excited to be at my brother's studio. This man has taught me a lot of things about this whole world of social media. You know what, Chef? You are one hell of an innovator. What you're doing,
Thank you.
God keep blessing you. God keep blessing you. It's been a year. His first anniversary, folks. This is it.
Yes, my first anniversary in YouTube. Thank you for each and every one of you, for my viewers, my subscribers, and for people like you. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. 1,000 miles journey.
Starts with a single step.
Single step.
Single
That's
step.
all I did. That's all he's done. Thank you so much. Let's see ourselves the next step on 50,000, 100,000 and growing. And as I do that, my brother, let's grow together. African Diaspora Connect for all the community work. Thank you guys.
But let's
See
get
you
to
soon.
25,000. Hold on, 25,000. We need to get you to 25,000 subscribers. Guys, we are only 10 people short. Come on, 10 of you out there. Get them to 25,000. Today is a significant day, April the 22nd. 1 year. 1 year on YouTube. This is the man. I came for some dinner. What did you make me today?
I made some ossobuco.
Ossobuco. Hey, hey, hey. Huh?
So it's gonna be on my YouTube channel very
Alright.
soon. Watch out for this. But he's lucky he came to the studio, so he's gonna be enjoying this. So
I can't wait.
buddy, this is your dinner. Go enjoy.
Finger
Thank
licking
you.
good.
Thank
Finger
you,
licking
guys.
good.
Thank
KFC
you,
got
Tommy.
nothing on us. Hey, hey. Congratulations. There we go. There we go. 1 year into it. Ossobuco.